I received this message from someone that claimed to be uh from Zimbabwe. That's where I sent the message, according to the guy. So let's read it first. He said, Big bro, I used to watch your videos in Peugeot and it's very helpful. Brother, I've got problem. May you assist? I have a Peugeot 406 of 2002 with EW10 engine. My problem started after I changed the head gasket. The car is consuming too much fuel in 100 kilometers. It takes 22 liters of fuel. After I changed the head gasket, it started giving out black smoke and displaying anti-pollution fault with engine check light on. I tried to clean the MAF sensor, oxygen sensor, and it doesn't work. When I cleaned the surge canister solenoid valve, the problem had just disappeared. Car started working good, giving out water from the exhaust, but the anti-pollution was still coming out from the display. I then went on to look for a technician with diagnostic machine just to clear faults. When he plugged his computer, the problem started again. For now, it is no longer giving water from the exhaust. The smoke that is coming out from the exhaust is very hot with black fumes. How can I solve the problem of too much fuel and black fumes from the exhaust? I need help. I don't understand all this thing because you are just beating about the bush. You just giving try and error. You do this, clean this. See, map sensor is not MAF. You said MAF. It's map, MAP. You don't clean it. Well, by what I mean is, especially use a hard solvent to do the clean, like carburetor cleaner. It kills it when you do that. I think the best you could do, like using electronic cleaner. But normally that map sensor doesn't even have anything to clean based on this location. So I don't see the need to even do any cleaning because from the location of where it's mounted, nothing gets to that place unless if your engine is weak and is vomiting oil, you know, and blocking or filling up the map sensor with the engine oil. Then yeah, maybe, or maybe there's no air filter and the dirt is going into the intake manifold. Yeah, you might go and block the map sensor with the dirt and the rest, but there's nothing really to clean on that sensor. Oxygen sensor as well. I don't understand people say you clean this, clean that. Why are you cleaning on that sensor? You know the nature of the world, what is supposed to pass through it. So what are you cleaning? What you need is find someone that will be able to diagnose the car to know what the problem is. A lot of things can cause high fuel consumption or black smoke. The purge canister you said you clean. I want to believe you mean the that solenoid valve attached on the engine ECU housing, that plastic ECU cover on 406. I don't, this is first time hearing that cleaning it to I don't know. Normally what usually damage that thing is if you are the type that always overfill your fuel tank to damage that purge canister valve. There's nothing, there's nothing I can do here rather than tell you find someone that will diagnose the car, starting with scan 2. I don't know what the other person did with scan 2. Maybe the ECU cannot, maybe he cleared it and then those errors started coming back and started giving you the symptoms they were giving before. So I don't do guesswork. That's the thing. Yeah, what you're asking is me to give you quack solutions. It doesn't work like that. You have to diagnose. Somebody who understand your system will have to first look at your wiring harnesses, engine wiring harness. Look at every component attached on your engine before I even talk about plugging in scan tool. Then from what you find from the scanning, you will be able to know, okay, this you can narrow the diagnosis or further diagnosis to know what and what is causing it. Because it could be anything. It could be your ECU that is the problem, engine ECU. It could be anything. So the black smoke is not limited to only one component when faulty. Can be caused by anything. If I start saying it, I may take about 2 hours to list out and explain a lot of things that can cause black smoke on a Peugeot with your engine. So it's be a waste of time. The best thing is find someone that diagnoses it well, that understands Peugeot modern electrical systems, or get your scan to yourself and start from there. It may not even be scan. It may be, I don't know. Till it is so when it comes to Nigeria, though you say you're in Zimbabwe, sometimes I don't like wasting energy trying to think of what could be the cause, because what you might be thinking is everything being equal, if the car is not abused, electrically abused, okay, this could be the cause, but you don't know, because Nigerians and most Africans abuse their Nigerian one is certain, me I know for sure. So I don't know about Zimbabwe. Maybe they do the same thing with Nigeria. They are abusing their electrical systems on their modern Peugeot cars. So you might be wasting your time thinking it could be this, it could be that, not knowing that, but which would have taken you less than a minute to even know the culprit if you are in the presence of or before the vehicle. So it's easier for me to when you sort out some symptoms people will describe, like I don't have a solution for you except you bring the vehicle in my presence and look at it. Then I can tell you this was the cause, not spending hours trying to explain what you may not even be closely related to what is causing the problem. Because it could be your wiring harness, and somebody did wrong connection on it. It could be someone damaged, ECU is damaged. Could be, I don't know, could be anything. Could be fuel pressure, it could be anything. So I'm not gonna waste time. Your car needs to be properly diagnosed to know what is causing the excessive fuel. That's what your car is going through. That black smoke means excessive fuel. This idea of water coming out from the exhaust tail doesn't mean engine is in good condition. I don't know why people have that idea. Anyway, that probably for another video. So I hope this find, even if you have to pay more than the local technician, find a good workshop or a good technician. Let that person diagnose your car and fix your car once and for all, rather than doing trial and error, wasting or complicating matters. Because from what you are saying here, your car sounds like an abused vehicle, electrically at least. Maybe find more like a severe abused car. So find someone that will be able to look at it and fix your problem once and for all. Maybe a workshop with good or better equipment, or someone that has that knowledge, even if he charges you small share. In the cases like this, don't try to go cheap, because that's where most people create more problem. Looking for someone that will diagnose your car for free, or that will do the work at penny cost, and they will mess up your car more and more. Pay, even if you have to pay the charge, then subsequently you avoid things that will make you to go back to that same person that charges her by not abusing the car. Period. Okay, I hope this helps.